If you want to set a live wallpaper or animated wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then you have a couple of options. On this phone, if we go to settings and choose wallpaper and style, and then we're gonna try to change the wallpaper, in here you should be able to find some of the graphical options over here, which are actually animated. For example, this one is an animated one. So if you open it, you will see this basketball over here, which is a little animation. Although I'm pretty sure this is not exactly what you're looking for, I still wanted to show you just to, prove that there is a way to get it. But I'm not sure if that's actually the only one, only the single wallpaper that allows you to have an animation. It might be. So if you are looking for something more specific, there we go, this one is animated as well. We have like little waves. But if you're looking for better video wallpapers or animated wallpapers, then in that case we can use a third-party app that allows us to get these video wallpapers. So if we go to the Play Store, you should be able to search for something like live wallpaper. Let's actually type live wallpaper. And you can find many example third-party apps that allow you to get an animated wallpaper. In my case, I'm going to use this one, Zech. I've been using it on different smartphones, and I think it has like the largest library of different wallpapers that you can use on your phone. And it is also pretty much straightforward. And we can open it, and let me show you how to set it up and how to get an animated wallpaper. So we're gonna accept the terms of service, and let's accept over here as well. We don't have to agree to notifications, and we can close this premium offer. Now in here at the top we can switch to video wallpapers in order to immediately find them, and then of course we can try to find something that you may like the most. So let's say as an example we're gonna use this one over here. We have a little preview of how it looks like, and if you decide to use that wallpaper, you can use this purple button that we have in here, and we have two options. You can either watch an ad and get the wallpaper for free, or you can use credits. Now if you install the app, you get 10 credits at the start, so you can immediately spend that. In my case, I'm gonna watch an ad, and then of course the ad should play, and you just need to wait for it to be done. After that, you can find the set video wallpaper button, so we're gonna use it. If you see a premium offer or something, you can close it, but usually you can immediately open the video wallpaper over there. Tap on set as wallpaper or set wallpaper, and then we're gonna choose where we want to set it. I'm gonna set it for both the home screen and lock screen. Let's close that. Video wallpaper has been updated, and there we go. As you can see, we have an animated wallpaper. Pretty straightforward. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.